The following is a video of my McCormick deering No.7 that I found in the woods a couple years ago that I'm going to attempt to restore. Alright, so I just took that spring off right there. And now I'm working on getting this broken piece off and taking this off. So that way I can weld that back onto there. Now I'm getting ready to take this bar off right here. So that way, that will come off the rest of the way. Okay. So now, this thing is coming off. That's off. So now, the only thing left holding this on is this bar down here, which I'm gonna take off by this, right, that little bolt right there. It's gonna have to come off. All right. So as you can see, I got that bar off by sawing this off because that bolt was completely rusted on there. So now, put this in here. And I should be able to just wiggle this right off. I got this half of the boat out. And now, this is free. So, take this up to the shop and work on it. So now, that that's off, this spring needs to unscrew from up there. But it's completely rusted on. So that'll come another day. But so far it's looking pretty good. Alright, so now I'm getting the thing to hold the spring on here, working this out. Alright, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this bolt off of that, and then we're gonna cut this bolt so that way we can get this long stick off, and then I can focus on just this little end down here. Okay, so we got this bolt off, got that. So here's this whole bolt cut off, and then really this thing, that thing goes inside of there, but now that's free. So the next thing that needs to come off is this little bolt down under there. But the problem with that is there's a little pin that goes in it. It's gonna have to wait for another day.